Howdy, pirates.
Previously on CannacityHustles.
We won the one with the safe at $470.
First off, guys, look at that. That's a safe.
Are you ready to crack this safe?
Hell yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
That looks like diamonds.
Uh-oh, what you got?
Uh-oh.
It is a sword.
Look at that. Nice. Another sword.
Damn! Is this Louis Vuitton? Really? Oh, Gucci purse.
Worth much more than a regular PS4.
Are you kidding? Yes, I didn't make a bad choice after all.
Is that?
Harley Davidson jacket.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
I really like it.
Me too.
Kind of like a loft.
Why do you think I was enjoying it?
Are these guys
Pretty comfortable.
Yes.
It's an Oregon Ducks bottle, and it's full of cash. Dollar bills, yo. Oh, you look great, honey. What's inside? $516.85.
If we get 100 subscribers, I'm going to get the skull and crossbone tattooed on my arm.
That I am going to put the Wolfpack skull and crossbones on there. So, but that's 1,000 subscribers, so you guys know what you need to do. Come on, internet.
Oh, what is that? That's not a toy, baby. I don't think you understand what that is.
And have some really interesting extracurricular activities. I mean, that's just on top of all the lingerie we have. There we go.
She said that there's actually change in there, so see if you can figure out how to get it out.
No, let's do it. Never let a P control order.
What?
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 Holy shit.
Hi guys. Okay, so here we are on I think day 9. Goodness. Okay, it's a little too bright. Anyway, it is June 21st, and we are almost done with the safe unit. So we've left Mama C over there to kind of finish up going through the rest of the things that haven't been sorted yet. And in the meantime, Monica and I are over here at our unit to kind of reorganize and make some room for the rest of the safe unit's furniture to come in here, because we are out of room, and then we will hopefully be done with the safe unit today, if not then tomorrow. So anyway, let's get started, and don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell. Thanks. So this is the unit that we call our unit, but it's actually the drama unit. It's just been, we've been paying to store it for so long that it feels like it's ours now. But anyway, this will be all upcoming videos in the future once we eventually get to go through this unit. But that's going to be a while. As you can see, it's gigantic. Actually, I can't even see what you're seeing because it's so bright. But anyway, it's a 10 by 30 and it is just stuffed. So Monica and I are going to try to pull some stuff out and kind of reorganize it so that we have space to put the furniture that is currently in the safe unit. But anyway, so just an update. You guys have seen a couple of videos on the drama unit so far, but this is the drama unit, and yeah, we have a long way to go with this one.
This desk table proof. Do we have the top for it?
I can't remember.
The bottom wheels are broken, so it's gonna be crooked and lopsided.
We can probably trash it, I guess. Because I'm not really sure if there's another side to it or not. So those are the chairs that we should take home to put with the table so we can sell that all together. Oh wait, is that the desk?
Oh, that might be. This needs a screw.
Do you think it's fixable?
Yeah, it just needs a screw that'll fit through there and tighten it.
Okay. I'm in your way, huh?
A little bit.
Gosh, I don't even know what all is in here. There's so much. We haven't gone through any of the boxes. I can't even see what's all the way back there. It's like a wall and then more empty space. Because originally we were just going horizontally, not making very much use of vertical space because we thought we were going to be going through it really fast. Yeah, didn't know we would be keeping it for months and months and months. Alright, so I'm going to turn this off now that you guys have gotten a good look at the drama unit that we'll be going through in the future. It's a little preview for you. And now we're going to make some space so that we can conclude the safe unit. See you soon. So this unit, this is the drama unit. Okay, so we're going to see what's in this box. Fabrics. More Oregon Duck stuff.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper. A Monopoly game.
Oh, that's Monopoly game?
Uh-huh.
Let's take that out. I want to see
Oh my
that.
god, we're not supposed to be doing this right now. What?
Just this one.
Oh. We were trolled.
Millennium Edition.
Guitar Hero. What does it say?
Legends of Rock.
Speff. Is it actually in there?
How to clean practically anything.
Oh, it's in there. Oh,
Yeah.
it's in there. Sweet.
Oh. That one's probably worth
It's a pretty big box. I wonder what's in all the rest of it. Is this just a sneak peek? Or are we going to put all this back and go through it again later and be good girls?
Yes.
Okay. We be good girls.
Well, you pulled out the camera, so now it's documented. We really shouldn't.
If it was just our secret. Then. But you know what? Jimmy never sees this footage until I put it on YouTube.
This is true. But there, I don't know. In the top, there wasn't very much.
Yeah.
We'll be good.
Okay. We'll be good. Okay.
Hi Pirates, well another busy day at the storage units. Today we went through and we sorted what was trash, what was donate, and what was keep. And we're kind of working between two storage units right now, trying to make room to finally clear out the safe unit, and so that we can, have that one done and over with. But that's about all we've been doing, is just trying to make more space and culling out the crowd. So just remember, everybody, to share, like, and subscribe to our videos. We'd really appreciate it. And remember, if we ever get up to 100, I'm getting a tattoo right here. Anyway, have a great day. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.
So we have the back of the truck full of trash already, and
Jenna?
we're nowhere near ready.
Hey, Jenna,
Yeah.
maybe we should keep these out and put them towards the front and take them home another day so we have more space for trash.
Yeah, let's do that.
So I think we should take out these chairs today and keep them here so that we have more space for trash.
Okay, so we're filling up the entire truck and trailer with trash, and then we've
I'll
got
take one if
donate.
you take one.
We have 10 vacuums.
Then I want those to be the last thing that goes in.
Thank you, drama unit, for the 10 vacuums. We've got 6 of them in there. No, I guess, I don't know. Anyway, we've got 10 total. There's 3 here. There's 2 in there.
Should we
So there must be 5 in the
roll
truck.
up to put
Anyway, what do you need 10 vacuums for, guys, really? Why? But, so this is the drama unit now. This is what we've got it looking like after working on it all day, and we're tired and we're hot and really ready to be done. But anyway, lots to go through, lots of boxes. You guys are going to see lots of videos in the future on all this. 10 by 30 unit, full of stuff. So anyway, now we're just gonna have to clear out the rest of the safe unit and shove that stuff here in the middle.
Did you show the before picture?
Mm-hmm.
Park my car right here to load it.
Okay, and then yeah, we'll be getting the safe unit completely done, and then we'll work on the drama unit next. So, making progress, guys, making progress. Okay, update over, and we'll see you later. But then I decided I wanted to get some footage. So this is what is left of our precious safe unit, guys. Mostly trash. This is the trash unit now. Other than all the furniture at the back that we are going to take out and put into the drama unit so that we have space for it in there until we can sell it. But we're gonna hopefully get all the rest of this trash out and then be done with this unit. So I'll give you a little bit of update in a little while.